guys, so if you're looking for a great tool, an all-in-one tool that is going to do everything for you and give you the best of your online business, I'm going to compare to you today Kartra and Clickfunnels. So let's dive into action right now. So before we go further in this video, please, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell in order to receive notification when I post new videos. I really like to post videos that are going to give you great value in order to grow your online business. And you can also give me some comments and give me some likes. I really like all your comments and I reply them all by myself. So what tool do you need in order to grow your online business and automate everything? Actually, you have different tools out there, but I'm going to compare for you today Kartra and Clickfunnels. So actually, they are really similar. But Clickfunnels and Kartra, they have really similar prices. They both have campaigns that are already done for you. I'd say that Clickfunnels has more view overall because it's Russell Brunson's. He's just everywhere and he's really out there and he's really like telling the world to go with Clickfunnels, and I think he has a really good product. But one thing that I found with Clickfunnels that is not that good is that you have to connect an email marketing platform like Aweber with Clickfunnels in order to make it work. So when people like subscribe to your newsletter or they go to your capture page and give their email address, you're gonna have to link it to Aweber, and it's two different services. So it means that you have to pay for two different services for something that is all in Kartra already. And I first started with Kartra, and at the middle of my journey, I was just like, why am I not with Clickfunnels? It looks like a really awesome platform and it looks like really full of resources. But then I realized that in Kartra you have really everything that you need in order to really automate everything in your business. So it's the same price as Clickfunnels, but you have all your emails are going to be there. So if you have a capture page for like a form where people give you their email address, it's going to go straight to your Kartra. So all your email lists are there, all your automations are, all your email sequences are there. So everything is going to be at one place. You also have a marketplace where you can find different affiliate marketing offers, which is really cool. And you also have campaigns that are already built for you. So that's really a nice tool if you want to have everything in one place. I would suggest to go with Kartra, and they have a really good service. So sometimes I had some questions about the service or about different things that were happening, and I was just like a newbie and with Kartra, and like straight during the day or the day after I had an answer, and it was really like an answer that I felt that it was replied by a human. So it was not a robot sending me like you should do this and that. It was really like a human that was explaining me exactly what I should do with screenshots and everything I needed to have and all the information I needed to get in order to solve my little issue. So I would really suggest to go with Kartra because it's a really full program that is going to give you everything you need. You can do split tests as well. You can add tags to your leads. You can do whatever you want. You're going to have all the analytics as well. So I really love to look at my stats, and they have stats that are awesome. So I would go with Kartra. I think Clickfunnels is a really good product as well, and I actually read books from Russell Brunson personally in order to go to do really great funnels. But Kartra, I feel like it's more of a full platform that everything is in one place, and you can have so many different tools, guys, out there. And in order to like reduce the fails, reduce the amount of information that can be lost on the way, I would really suggest you to go with Kartra, so you have everything in one place. So I hope that helped. If you like the video, please, you can subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell. You're gonna have more value video like that, and you can give me some likes, give me some comments. I always reply to all my comments because I love them all. So thank you guys for being there, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, ciao.